Ano aliyabich kum lipot no kuwoke county ma Homeway kawadhi mbele oido ni Piem mar LEWA marathon higani ibiro bagi tarik 24 dwe mar auchiel bang' jogo mabago tukegi golo chenro odiochieng' makawuono seche mane gido sir kowuok kuom kembe mag Safaricom kaachiel gi Huawei bang' bedo kod ng'ikruok nikech midhusi mar corona. Gikone to jogng'wech ma pacho kaachiel gi mawuok e pinje maoko biro yudo thuolo mar piem kidienje mag kilomita 42, kilomita 21 kod ng'wech mar kilomita 5 nyaka ne chak tukegi higa mar 2000. Omenda maromo milion 8 pesa mar dola osechoki mar rito bunge mag LEWA kuonde ma LEWA odakie ka omenda mamoko bende osekonyo oganda modak e alwora makono.
Of LEWA want to confirm Safaricom's commitment and sponsorship of 10 million for this year's race, which is set to take place on 24th June. Because we are proud of the cause that LEWA stands for, and especially the awareness, trying to drive the efforts to conserve our wildlife. Now, the event means a lot to us as Safaricom, and as a company we are committed to supporting the growth and development of sports. In terms of the youth, that's a big part of what we believe in.
As many of you know, the LEWA Wildlife Conservancy is a world-renowned conservation organisation that works diligently to protect wildlife and to safeguard some of Africa's most endangered species, whilst also supporting communities. The LEWA Safari Marathon is not only a crucial component of our fundraising efforts, with all proceeds going directly towards conservation and community empowerment, but it is regarded as a world-class sporting event. Last year, I believe we had 1,200 runners, and that was just post-COVID.
Last year it was wonderful to see an increasing number of Kenyan corporates coming to the table, involved in a Kenyan event to raise money for Kenyan wildlife.
And we have